Yeah, hello everyone. Myself Bharat Purdi. Here I am featuring about web application that was designed as a project work of the CCBP 4.4 course. So as of now, the entire world is facing a strange scenario where the people are suffering and the entire world was suffering from the amid COVID-19. So in this lieu, uh, the need of the hour is to be an application which can give a proper insights about the entire uh, COVID-19 insights, like disease, the number of cases confirmed, like that. So my project work is about a dashboard which can give the proper insights of the COVID-19. So let me dive into the deep. So firstly, the main feature is it gives the entire insights of the COVID-19 thing, and the technologies and the tools that were used or for the front end development have been used a React.js, and for styling and all HTML, CSS, a JavaScript program, and the data of the insights will be fetched from a backend APIs. So here the web application will be having a four routes, namely home route, state specific route, and vaccination route and about route. In the home route, we can get the entire Indian insights, like number of confirmed cases, active cases, recovered and deceased. In the and also we'll get a state-wise insights for all the states of India, including the union territories. So we can sort in the ascending and descending order of states. So if we want to get know about the state specific details, we can here there is a search enable. So I am searching for Andhra Pradesh. So when I click on Andhra Pradesh, the state specific route will be redirected. In the state specific route, we'll be having a details about how many cases are in the particular state in the district wise manner. So we can get the deep insights regarding the districts, like confirmed cases. So here the districts in the Andhra Pradesh in which number of cases are there. So I selected here confirmed. So if I select on the active, here it will get the active cases of that particular state in a district manner, in a district wise, and also the graphical representation of a data for the last 10 days, and also the spread trends. Namely, the spread trends are for a period of time, how actually the number of cases are the trends are going on. So here there are a confirmed trends, total, recovered, tested, vaccination and test positivity ratio. So we can get a number of recovered cases or number of active cases of that particular date through these trends. So for the user ease of using, so here it was if I want to go through for the if I want to get another state insights mean, so if I click on a particular state, I will get the particular state insights. So here the Uttar Pradesh COVID-19 insights are showing, so the similar pattern will be follow here. And if I click on a vaccination route, so here the main thing about the vaccination route, the main detail that we get in the vaccination route is like how many sites the vaccination is conducting and number of doses as of now. The doses has been vaccinated, and we can get the data in the eye pleasing manner in the form of a trends. So here we'll get a by doses, by ages. So how many people have been get vaccinated through in the age category and all. And also it has been shown in a pie charts, like a vaccine category, like a male, female, and a type of a vaccine, and also the ages. So this is about the state route. Here I can select particular state and the particular district. So particular district trends will be particular districts trends will be we can render here. So coming to the last road, there's a about road. In the about road, uh, as of now, we are going through with many types of a virus and many type of a difficulties. So in the about section, it has been mentioned that the it is used, it is about to educate the people about the latest virus variants and all. So it has been shown you. This is the overview of the project. And finally, thank you so much.